Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks. It's time for a subscription box again. Which one are we doing? We're finally getting caught up. It's Mickey Loot. I'm excited for this one, it's really heavy. For a subscription box anyway. And this is coming up right now. Alright, so let's see what we got going here. Ugh. Ready? Alright. I have really been liking these Mickey Loot boxes, so hopefully that keeps up. We have got Hades. I was like, I know it's from Hercules, but what is it? And it says, Chris, we have some special limited edition items for you in this box, including an extra magic item. All the best, Mickey Loot. Which reminds me, so let me show you what they sent me as my bonus present, which I really like this. So this is a limited edition pin from the parks. It was 18 bucks. And it is an excellent picture of Walt, and it's framed by Tinkerbell and one of the spires from the castle. Let me throw that in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. And they sent me this card, and it says, you've got some extra magic mail. Here. Boop. This is just a little treat in between your boxes to hopefully brighten your day. We wanted to thank you for being part of the Mickey Loot family and hope that you have been enjoying everything you have received from us. Have a magical day. And then it says, this is some get well soon extra magic mail. We were in the parks the other day and figured this might be something you would like. Matt from Mickey Loot. Hey, I finally got a name. Matt! This place has been, not only do they have mystery boxes, but the ownership is very mystery as well. They don't really post much personal stuff. So, thanks, Matt. I really like that pin. So, then, okay, so let's see here. So we've got, I'm a little off track, I'm lost. Spoiler sheet, we will wait on that. Okay. I can't help it. That's a lot of glitter. Okay. Oh. Right after I record this, I'm going out of town for work, and I will be getting there covered in gold glitter. But that's how I roll anyway. Alright! So everything in here is individually wrapped, which I really like. It's like Christmas every day. They don't just do this for the holidays, all the time. Oh, that's really cool. It's kind of 3D-ish. The flames, it's Hades from like the nose up. This is 18 bucks in the parks. It's a limited release. That is a really cool looking pin. It's a double back. Let me throw that in the photo box. Boop. Boy, this glitter really sticks to you. And everything else. Ready? I haven't seen it yet, but Mary was very excited to put it in my hand. Oh, that's why. Collectible trading pin. This has got to be the biggest pin I've ever seen. This thing's huge. Looks like a coffee mug coaster. Limited to 250. It's a triple back pin. Look at the size of that thing. And it's got 3 backers on it. I will put this in the photo box so you can check it out. Limited to 250. Boop. That's really cool. Certificate of authenticity. Wow. Very nice. Mary's gonna turn that into a belt buckle. Alright. Oh, this last thing is what made the box so heavy. This is pretty stout too. Let's see what we got going. It's a 2021 calendar, a year of animation. Featured scenes from your favorite Disney and Pixar films. How cool is that? I like it. 15 bucks in the park. I will take it out of this box and put it in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. Mary has already stated that she will be taking this to work. So, bye calendar. Alright, and finally, I think it's a bowling ball. Whoa. So I will throw this in the photo box so you can see the front and back of it. Boop. Disney, they drew as they pleased. The hidden art of Disney's golden age, the 1930s. And as you can see on the back of the screen, or on the back side of the book, it explains it a little bit more. This was $40 in the park. And I cannot wait to get into this. I'm actually going out of town for a week right now, and I might take this with me so I have something to read in the hotel. Very cool. Alright, so that was our Mickey Loot box. I think that was December. Let's find out here. So here is the spoiler sheet. It is a B ticket box, which I believe is $100 and free shipping. So we have Disney Animation Daily Calendar, $15. The book, $40. Did I? Boop. There it is. Villains Limited Release Pin of Hades, $18. And Winnie the Pooh Peekapoo. Wait a minute. Holy cow. That was $42.88. I was wondering because it's so huge and it's a limited of 250. So, wow, that is really cool to have that. That's going to go in our display case in the other room. Very cool. Alright, so the total is $115.86. They put a star next to the parks items, so actually the villains pin is the one that they got from the parks. Everything else they, get from their distributors and stuff like that. Awesome! Alright! Mickey Loot does not disappoint. So, if you would like to take a look at our last videos, click the button right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, we would really appreciate it. Click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.